Hello guys, according to your JT over there, welcome to ELLIS graphic channel. So in this tutorial you will learn how to create product motion graphics in Kinemaster. So without wasting of our time, let's move on. So the first attention what to do is to click on your Kinemaster. Let's open our Kinemaster app, click on it. So shortly we arrive at the Kinemaster app. So this is now. So the first thing to do is to create a new project. So create new, click on it. Then don't forget the size. The aspect ratio should be in the rate of 16.9 ratio. So that is the biggest size. So it's very cool this one. Okay, so make sure that you choose the size of 16:9. So let's move on. Click on next. So what are you going to do now? So we have to bring a new layout, which is the background. So let's create a background first. So go to the image. Don't worry, let me press back so that you won't forget, so that in case of next time. So you click here. This one, this particular one. Click the images. So click there. So let's choose white for the background. So click white. So don't forget, make sure that it's set as 10 minutes for the video. Okay, so don't forget, it's just fixed at the rate of 10 minutes. So now what are you going to do? Let's bring our PNG images. So click on the layer, this. So click there, click on the layer. So go to the medium, this particular one, medium. So click on the medium. So the next thing, let's bring our PNG can. Okay, so click on the download. So let's bring it. So let me looking for it. PNG can. So please, if it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and subscribe. So this is our game. So click on it. So this is it. So put it this way. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay. So you have to make sure that it's centralized. Okay. So make sure it fits with the duration of that background. Okay, so what are you going to do next is to click on the animation in. So in animation, so click on it. So you choose pump, which is this one, pump. So click there. So as you can see, yeah, good. So it's very fast, so we have to reduce it a little bit, the speed. Okay, I think it's cool this way. Okay, let me move it. Good. So let's bring another layout again. Okay, so let's choose, all the materials are here. So let's click here. So okay, so let's make sure that you zoom, make it more larger. Okay, so we fix it this way. Make sure. Okay, now go to the in and go to the enter, as you can see. Yes, so let's send it back. This, click here, send it back. So click there. Good. So now we have to reduce to make the speed good. I think it's very cool this way. Okay, so when this one came in, when this one came in, relax, this one just come immediately. So let's bring another, so make sure that you fix it the way it ought to be. Okay, so bring another layout again. So another layout. So let's click this one. So you fix it this way. There's the text, there's the sweetness. Okay, so now the in. So something happened. We ought to. So this is the in. So don't forget to do the same animation under the first PNG, the text. So now the out animation, don't forget the out. So let's check it out. The out animation. So the out animation have to so let's check it out now. So it will move this way, as you can see, but it's too speedy. You understand? You reduce it. Let's reduce it. It's too speedy. Okay, it seems like it's too speedy too. Okay, so let's leave it this way. Okay, so now check the second text. So confirm the way you did at the first text. So don't forget to do it for the second text. So go to the enter slide left. You understand? As you can see, it came in now. So you reduce. Make sure you reduce the speed. Okay, good. It's too speedy. Okay. Now, don't always remember to remember at the out animation. When you are done with the in, you have done with the in. So don't forget the out animation. So take note of that. So now still go to the side, as you can see, just the speed. So we have to reduce it also, the rate you place it. So now good. Now the next thing to do here is to bring another PNG image. So let's click on our download file. Now let's find our PNG image. Okay, so move it down. So let's choose our chiclet. So this is our chiclet. We're gonna make it soft. Yeah, so you make sure that it touches the where those the PNG, the text. Understand? Always remember the background. We fit it at the rate of 10 minutes. So make sure that it also reaches the 10 minutes. Okay. So always remember that. So the same thing how you do to those texts, you fix it the way. So it came in. Yeah. So let's reduce the speed. Is really so more. Reduce. Okay, it seems it's okay this way. Good. So don't forget the out animation must be taken to good. So we have to send it back. Okay, so that it won't cause it just go back. Good. So you reduce the speed of the movement. Okay, good. So we are done with that too. So let's bring our new text in. So click on the layer, go to the median and import your text. You're gonna make it soft. Yeah. So let's go for original. So click here. So click the original. Good. So now let's check it out. So you bring it down here. Okay, so make sure that everything is done the way it ought to be done. Okay, so the same method you use for all the text. So don't forget the slide left, that is first. So always remember to reduce the speeding movement. Okay, take note of that. So don't forget the out animation, always remember that. So choose it again, so you reduce it. Okay, check it out by yourself the way you want it to be. Good. So let's bring another text in. So click on the layout. So let's bring it on. So click it. So chocolate milk. So take note of that. Make sure. Okay. Okay. So you bring it down here. Okay. So it's very easy and cool. So don't forget to follow the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. Just follow the protocol. So check in again. The way you do all those things, don't forget the same from the beginning. Don't forget, always do it to others. You activate it to others. You understand? So check out the out animation. Don't forget, always remember that. So you have to reduce the speed. Okay, I think the speed is very more. Now let's check it out, all what you have done so far. Okay, I think it's cool. Okay, now so something happened and it shouldn't be done. If you check out our cane, the in animation was totally activated while the out animation is not there. So that's why I'm always remember you guys to take note of this. Always remember your out animation has to be done. Okay, so don't forget, always remember your out animation. So now click on our out animation, then you should scale down. Okay, scale down, you reduce the speed. Good. Now let's check everything. Good. It came in at a time. So now, so we have to do something here, and I want you guys to take note of it. Let's first begin from the first text. Let's check it out. The out animation. Let's choose at the right so that to move this way. We want to be changing those. So not all text ought to move at the same. So let's check it out. Good. Now some have to go to the right, some ought to go to the left. So let's take note of that. So check it out. See the way? Yeah, perfect. But you have to make sure that your cane is well aligned. Yeah, alignment is also important in under motion graphics. Okay, good. So what are you going to do here next? Let's wait. Let me centralize it and check it out. Okay, I think it's cool. Now the next thing to do here is to bring another layout here. Okay, click on the layout, click on the media, then go to the image. So don't forget this one, image. Okay, almost 15 minutes now. So check up the image. So let's us bring this the first test. Okay, now change the color. So do you know how to change? Let me teach you how to change the color. So you have to click here. This is where to change the color. Okay, so click there. So let's choose the first color, which is this one. Okay, now this is it. Okay, so this one I have to understand. Make sure you set it at the rate of 10 minutes, the way you did to others. Okay, good. So we have to move it little so that the second one should also come in. So let's check it out. The image, choose this one, wipe down. Okay, so we're gonna make soft here, wipe down. So take note of that. So check it out. The speed, make it speedy, but not too much, but more speedy. Okay, so wait. So I'm gonna make Sophia wipe down. Okay, so this is the way it ought to be, but I want to reduce the speed rate. So let's use this way. So check the out elimination. Choose the speed down, the speed up. So no, we're gonna use speed down. Okay, so okay, now let's check it out. Let's see. And secondly, this one also, you just reduce it. Okay, so it should not come exactly, so not at the same time when others came in, so you have to come after. You understand? So fix at the rate of 9, have to come after the text. So it's just came in. Now what are you going to do? Make a copy of it, duplicate it. Duplicate. So let's duplicate it. Good. Then change the color. Change the color. So this is the color we're gonna make soft. Now send it back. Okay. Okay. So let's check it out. So this one, you have to reduce this little bit so that it won't come in at the same time. So you have to move a little bit, at least to 9 minutes. Okay, so you understand? Okay, I think it's cool this way. Let me check it out again. No, maybe probably let's make it at the rate. Let it be at the rate safe and check it out. No, shouldn't be. Good. Okay, let me see. Good. I think it's cool this way. Now So we have done for the first part. Now let's check it out, the second part. Now go to the media, this one, check it out. You click there. So click, bring in new. So this is our new background. So always remember to put it at the rate of 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. So change the change the color and set it at this color. It's okay. Now what are you going to do next? Bring a new image again, another layout. Click here, go to the image. So bring white in. So what I'm going to do here is that you go to clone. So we have to clone it to circle. Okay. So this, just go to clone. Click there. Go to the mask, enable it. Then click here, shape. Yeah. So click there. Then go to the circle. Then you move it at rate like this. As you can see, it's movable. So click back. So now you have to move this feather, okay. So you move it like this to fade it off, okay. Now click OK. Then you make it more wider, okay. So set it at the center. So what are you going to do here? You have to blend it. So click here, blending. You set it at the screen. Then so make sure that it also touches at the rate of 10 minutes. So click on the blending. So you click screen, okay. So check it out. Cool. So let's make it more wider, okay. Good. Now bring our new layer, our new PNG. So let's bring it in. So let's check it out. Go to our download. So because of our time, let me be very fast this time. I want to make sure you guys understand how we achieve all this, okay. You ought to understand, not only to watch it alone, but to learn and know how we achieve it. So what I'm going to do here is that I want to do something unique here, okay. And I want you to be very careful here and very sensitive. So you move it. Let's rotate it this way, okay. You want to rotate it like this. Now something is gonna happen here, and you ought to know how to operate it here. Now click here. This is keyframe. So we call it keyframe, okay. Take note of that. So you click there. So you have enable it here. As you can see, this red circle here, that is the sample, that is the icon for that keyframe, okay, where you want it to be. So you move it like this way, set it like this, okay. Just make sure it's like this, okay. So you move it like this, okay. Now you centerize it. You make sure it fits here. Then you bring it down, okay. You bring it down, you bring it down, and you make sure that you so you make it properly, okay. Set it this way. Then at the last, you put another keyframe. You rotate it normally in a normal size, okay. So click here. Now let's check it out. let's check it out. As you can see, it's progressing. As you can see, stand is now. Something is gonna happen here, and you ought to understand very. In this page, you all must be very careful. So before this thing landed, okay, so it will land this way. Before it lands, so no, you check it and you monitor it the way it wants to land. Then you click here. You have already marked it. So what are you going to do? Bring another layout in. That particular place has been styled, okay, so that you're able to understand what you want to put in. Okay, you have started there. So let's bring our PNG again. Don't want to waste time. Time is really running very fast. So click here. So good. So what are you going to do here is that you're gonna do something here which is gonna be great. Okay, I want you guys to understand everything. So this is on the process that this can want to come down. So what are you going to do here? You reduce it. You understand? You reduce this PNG. So if you consider it will land this way, okay, so you reduce it and fix it this way. You reduce it, make sure it's reduced. Now what are you going to do here? And no, so what are you going to do here is that you click on the keyframe. Don't forget that is the motion, to activate the motion. So click here. So you set it here again. So it will zoom. You understand? Make it big. You understand? So make sure it covers everything. Good. Now at the end, add another keyframe. So let's check out